Hello everyone, welcome to Ais Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is a healthy body is a foundation of strong leadership. Fit India flagship mass fitness movement. Sundays on Cycle SOC made a vibrant comeback in the national capital on Sunday with more than 1,000 people including 500 young leaders participating in a fitness festival followed by a cycle rally beating the 6-degree winter cold at 7 am. The cycling rally was led by Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports and Labour and Employment, Dr. Munsukh Mandavia, who was joined by tennis legend leader Pius and badminton legend Pulela Gopichand, along with up and coming international wrestler Shivani Power. The young leaders from across the country who are here to participate in a 4-day Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2026, a national platform meant to identify and promote youngsters who want to be a part of public life, took center stage as special invitees in the 56th edition of Fit India Sundays on Cycle. This edition was held across 15,000 locations with Bhopal organizing a mega event which was graced by Madhya Pradesh Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Shri Vishwas Kailash Sarang, who flagged off the cycling rally alongside actress Payal Rohatni and a distinguished lineup of athletes, including Olympian judoka Garima Chowdhury. Speaking at the Delhi event, Dr. Mandavia said, "A healthy body is a foundation of strong leadership. Cycling teaches us powerful leadership lessons. It tells us when to pedal fast, when to pedal slow, and most importantly, how to maintain balance to keep moving forward in life." Appreciating the Union Minister's vision of launching the Sundays on Cycle initiative, Gopichand said, "It is motivating to see a minister not just putting so much thought to make fitness a part of everyday life, but also leading the entire movement from the front. The fact that he himself participates in this event on Sunday morning after a hard week's work speaks volume about his commitment to creating a fit India." Echoing his sentiment, Gopichand added, "Today we have fun on our fingertips, so we have forgotten to have fun in nature, to step out and be a part of the world outside. So I appreciate those who have turned up here today. Indeed, the 56th edition dedicated to young leaders who were joined by citizens, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts, reinforces the message that physical fitness is integral to nation building and leadership, and that Fit India Sundays on Cycle has become an integral part of the Viksit Bharat journey. The Fit India Sundays on Cycle is supported by the Cycling Federation of India, Yogasana Bharat, My Bharat, Fit India cycling clubs, and regular partners. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.